58
Yo, bro,
p.m.
this guy, this shit is crazy. Stupid.
One take. Feel my pain, yeah. No. No. Shoot. I've been working in the basement so the sun I don't see. I've been dreaming of them stunners tucking deep in my jeans. Copping whips with my clique just to speed in them streets. And the one thing that I wonder is why they envying me. Working so the sun I don't see. I've been working in the basement, you know, getting this.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Plays K-Spot back with. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Plays K-Spot back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing restoration on these Toro 4s. Well, it's not really much to do, cause like the shoe's pretty much clean, but they're kind of dusty and whatnot, and they have no laces, so I have laces for these, and I did the repaint. The person I got them from, though, he tried to repaint them, as you can see, like right there. So I'm gonna try to get that up. But the shoe is in good condition. It's just, he just wants me to do the midsole repaint basically. And so the midsole's not messed up, but I'm gonna definitely have to acetone it, repaint it, do all that stuff like that. And yeah, but I'm still gonna clean the shoe though. So yeah, let's do it.
Getting this green, Cartier for all of my team. When I'm up, they never ask for bucks, they got their own cheese. Cause we've been on the money flow, we've been putting work out like it's cardio. And I'm getting to the guap on my audible. You can talk your way to guap when you with a boss. Say yeah. Say that cadence for greatness. I've been waiting. The statements of the checking in my banking. Say a lie, you can see the way I'm changing. You heard I got some enemies, they ain't touching me when see me. Got some goons with some 3-3s, who empty clips when they angry. Hey, you don't wanna test them lately. Shit's been a hot summer like the 80s. If you ask about the guap, I say maybe, cause I don't talk to the ops that betray me. I've been working in the basement so the sun I don't see. I've been dreaming of them stunners tucking deep in my jeans. Copping whips with my clique just to speed in them streets. And the one thing that I wonder is why they envying me. Working so the sun I don't see. I've been working in the basement, you know, getting this green. I'm getting this green. Wonder why they envying me. I'm up now and all these
Check, I'm
scenes.
mean, like Charlie Sheen, chasing this green, don't make a scene. All I really.
Alright, so we just finished cleaning the shoe. Just finished cleaning the shoe. And both of them, I cleaned both of them. Would this be a cool thumbnail? Would that be a cool thumbnail? I don't know. But yeah. So I'm about to tape the shoe up. Tape it up so then I could. Don't know where my paint is. I mean, not my paint, my tape. About to tape everything up so I can get the acetoning the rest of this black off. So let's go.
Is my team, we alright. Flows hotter than the boiling pipe. I might just have to show off my might and snipe every sneak disser in the place tonight. Have you seen them? The dog engulfs the soul like a demon. And who am I? The highest bidder. I might be sweet, but these punchlines bitter. I might be sweet, but I still be that whose pockets getting bigger, steady chasing figures while sipping on elixir mixed with liquor. Cutting off my ties with the scissors. Now looking in the mirror like why the f envious. They hating on cause yeah, they envious. My pockets.
Alright, so we finished painting this white part.
You said that to him?
I didn't paint like this upper part as much because I'm just painting the black down. I did do a few coats right here. So yeah, so let's just get to this painting part.
Steady eating, they the heaviest. And this is the beginning like a Genesis. And if these is hating, it's the end of it.
I've been working in the basement so the sun I don't see. I've been dreaming of them scunners tucked in deep in my jeans. Copping whips with my click just to speed in them streets. And the one thing that I wonder is why they envying me. Working so the sun I don't see. I've been working in the basement, you know, getting this green. I'm getting this green. Wonder why they envying me. I'm up now and all of you see, and all of you see.
Alright, you two, so we just finished putting this nice black down on the shoe. Yeah. I don't think it was as smooth, like putting it down, like the prepping process, as the breads that I got right here. If you haven't already, go watch this video. Restoration on these joints. Ooh, look at that. See that gloss right there? That gloss finish on the black. Yeah, so go check the video out. What I'll probably do, I'll probably put like the little thing. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in this corner. This corner or this corner. It's gonna be in the top. It's gonna like the little eye. Click on it, and I'm gonna put that video up right there. But yeah, we're in this video. So yeah, just finished painting the black. I'm about to take the tape off, do some touch-up work, and then I'm gonna put the finisher on.
Know you mad that I'll get it first. I was born for this, rich to the hearse. Every track that I've written slaps. Now I'm flexing cash with those who did me dirt. I've been king for a minute. I've been riding through the city. High beams with the tinted. See me win a minute. My cup is muddy and I'm feeling dirty. I just took a 30, I feel like a curry. I hustle on Sundays, I don't know what churches. And don't try to call me, my phone no got service. All my old is tweaking, got a new bitch every week. And swear that this summer my season. These so they don't need a love for the night but won't keep them. My cup is muddy and I'm feeling dirty. I just took a 30, I feel like a curry. I hustle on Sundays, I don't know what churches. And don't try to call me, my phone no got service. All my old is tweaking, got a new bitch every week. And swear that this summer my season. These so don't need a love for the night but won't keep them. This summer I'm taking it all. Your favorite rapper is my feasting. They claiming they working so hard. Won't spend $1 for a feature. King shit, I'm a beast.
6:58 p.m.
It took him about a year to understand that I'm not here for the relevance. I'm here cause I want to take it all. And it's people like me who will really show you how to ball. Know you mad that I'll get it first. I was born for this, rich to the hearse. Every track that I've written slaps. Now I'm flexing cash with those who did me dirt. I've been king for a minute. I've been riding through the city. High beams with the see me win a minute. My cup is muddy and I'm feeling dirty. I just took a 30, I feel like a curry. I hustle on Sundays, I don't know what churches. And don't try to call me, my phone no got service. All my old bitch tweaking, got a new bitch every week. And swear that this summer my season. But don't need a love for the night but won't keep them. My cup is muddy and I'm feeling dirty. I just took a 30, I feel like a curry. I hustle on Sundays, I don't know what churches. And don't try to call me, my phone no got service. All my old tweaking, got a new bitch every week. And swear that this summer my season. But don't need a love for the night but won't keep them. Keep me sloppy, got your head bust. You been sleeping on them time to